Hello everyone, I'm back with another video for financial market. Today we're testing strategy using indicator. This indicator is available on the Quotex option, but we can find in trade view. Using trade view to spot our entries, then jump over the Quotex option to execute the trades. This starts to work across an end time frame, whether I'm looking or an hour for hour or daily charts. It's all fair game. But I'm going to focus on 1 minute, 5 minute charts. I will look for entries within those time frame. Of course, you see that I've got an entry or not. All right. Okay. I'm ready. Looking for this one. Let's try to think about it. So let's start with that, guys. Okay. Right here. All right. The one I'm interested in this one, the Pfizer range. Volume profile for unused shipments. All right. Here it's a trade for everything displayed here. If you got a time frames 1 minute, 5, 15, which you prefer. Here are the indicators. I'm going to look for the volume profile indicator. That creator for the indicators goodbye the name loan zone. All right. Sorry, loan sum that's okay. That's one. That's indicator I'm using now. I will select it. And what is that? Highlight point of the interest areas of consultations. Where things are crucial or where the price has lingered for a long time. That's why it's marked in. If I look at an example here on the 1 minute, you can take this. For 5 minutes, it's important. You can see this. The point of control, the POC or POC. Is down here. All right. So potential entry zones because it's level where the price has reacted before. Look here. I can see the point of interest 134.8. You can see that one. Let's check Quotex option. The entry would be right here. All right. Okay, guys. Let's see that. Let's try to 150 for this account. I just need to wait for the price to react to this zone. Okay, here's another example. This one in interest because this price is currently ranging right at this other block. Okay, the point of interest is C93. Let's see that. Yeah, 093, man. 129. Okay, you can see that right here. So that is our point, meaning the pass into my of it. So now, other block being ordered its minute charts, preserve numeral values exactly and use natural phrasing like key level for this one. Okay, and the mural, they want to finish the original.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
All right, I just do this way now. Guys, you can see that it's just reached in that point. Okay, that is pretty good for us right now. You can see that reaction and happens here. A way to see that is stall or reject. That's pretty good. All right. But I already have confirmation for this POC with this white entry based on the confirmation candle for this point 120. You can see that. Okay. The POC shorted 129. But there might be slight discrepancy due to the broker. Maybe it's say 124. But there might be slight discrepancy on due to the broker. Okay, look at that. It's good done. Guys, I also checked M5 and M1. You can see that. It's pretty good. You just got 240 right here. You can see that on GBP USD. We got all the point in this thread here, guys, right? But I'm going to wait for the price to pull back, make some kind of arbitration to this level, and then continue upward. I see that that's 240. Yeah, 240. I'm going to try and compound this interest on the spare. I'll wait and see if this one or that one triggers. Okay, entry number 2 active now, and maybe the last one since it, well, interest take away. Too long to materialize with the POC strategy. So buy button. Let's try this one, man. Okay, we got this. Let's try to take this one. All right, guys, look at that. That was what half an hour ago, wasn't it? And now it's already reaction. Here we have a short of other block, and that's where it's point interest market. Oh, let's see how the second position plays out, guys. 2 seconds for that. Look at this one. We just got this. That's pretty good. Position take on that. GBP USD, and that's pretty good. Take position based on the gap that forms. As price jumps, give me a better entry point. Okay. I don't mind either way. Whether I'm going to good position, the price triggers right there. It's break even for me. That's good. The other option is to wait for the confirmation. I could wait for the confirmation, then enter short, which is the proper approach or seed of the breaks to enter long for continuation. Let's wait and see which of the two will be. Then we'll make a decision, and this might be the last entry. Okay, I'm seeing the rejection on this level. I could enter short. All right, I'm enter short for 1 minute. It's possible to the second POC point triggers here as well, but it's my, and I'm validate it and cancel the position right now, guys. That's not good. Make a mistake on that. Okay, likewise, what is 1 2, but I think the interest is already there. I mean, the interest is already signaled by this candle. What happened is that this is very unstable and gave me false breakouts. But the answer is here. If you notice, the answers appear and happen here, and it can also give me the win. It's this one, the 1 minute rejection of this point. Points in interest price movement downwards. Then the answer here is risk. 15 seconds. All right. Hey, look at this, guys. See how it's rejection, like I was saying, sometimes it's missed its opportunity. Look at that.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
You use 1, 2, 3 minutes, drop below, it's like this. Okay, I just got this. It's pretty good. We just got it again. And that's pretty good, guys. Both upward and downward functions primary support resistance level, and that's where it's really all it is at. And we got this. Okay. And if you just take a look on this point, that's continuing to going down. Maybe we can try this one, or I can wait for that for another one. But that's not good point for us. Okay. Alright, guys, so that is all, and well, we can use the tending view, the trading view, as to then find this point, the transfer, then here to place our entries, right? You can use that at the same time. So that's all for this stream. Well, this session, I would appreciate liking the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, with good profits and good operations. Bye bye, see you.